Hi students, welcome back to JEE Chemistry Insight series. In this series, we have been exploring the solution for previous year JEE Chemistry exam papers. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. So let's see what's today's problem. So this is the problem from JEE Main 2025. As per this question, toluene react with chromyl chloride and followed by hydrolysis and which then react with sodium bisulfite then followed by filtration that produce residue A. So this residue A further react with diluted hydrochloric acid which produce product B. So here you see there are four options are given. Let's solve together which one is the correct option for this question. First write down the question. So here toluene react with chromyl chloride in the first step. Here carbon disulfide acts as a solvent. So this reaction is oxidation reaction. More particularly here partial oxidation takes place. So here this methyl group react with chromyl chloride which produce this chromium complex as a intermediate. This chromium complex now undergo hydrolysis which produce benzaldehyde as a product. So this reaction is known as Etard reaction. So I already said this reaction is partial oxidation takes place. So if we use potassium permanganate instead of chromyl chloride where complete oxidation takes place to produce benzoic acid as a final product. So however in heated reaction only partial oxidation takes place. So now this benzaldehyde react with sodium bisulfide in the next step. Now closely look this aldehyde group. So this oxygen has more electronegative power, therefore which pulls the bonded electron towards oxygen atom. So resulting that this carbon center get delta positive charge. In case of this oxygen atom get delta negative charge. So for our convenience, we can expand the sodium bisulfite structure. So Na plus and HSO3 minus like this. Now this HSO3 minus attack this carbon atom. So resulting that this pi bonded electron move towards oxygen atom which makes that this corresponding intermediate. Our convenient we can expand this structure like this. So now you see this O negative charge now takes the proton from this hydroxy group. So resulting that proton transfer takes place to produce this aldehyde bisulfite adduct. So this is our residue A. So this particularly this reaction is known as sodium bisulfite addition reaction. So let's moving on. Now this residue A react with diluted hydrochloric acid. So we know that diluted hydrochloric acid means that H plus. Now this O negative charge take the H plus ion. So resulting that sodium chloride kick off which produce this corresponding intermediate. We know that oxygen has two lone pair of electron. Particularly this hydroxy group going to involve in this reaction. So now this oxygen lone pair of electron now attack the H plus ion. So resulting that protonation takes place which produce this intermediate. Now this hydroxy group oxygen lone pair of electron now move towards this carbon atom. So resulting that breaking of this carbon sulfur bond. So resulting that this bonded electron move towards sulfur atom. So resulting that this sulfur oxygen bond breaks. So this bonded electron move towards oxygen atom. So resulting that kick off water molecule as a byproduct as well as sulfur dioxide as a byproduct. So resulting that produce this corresponding intermediate. Now this oxygen hydrogen bonded electron move towards oxygen atom. So resulting that kick off H plus ion to produce benzaldehyde as a final product. So this is our product B. So let's moving to the our question. So as per our discussion among the four answer, the correct answer for this question is answer 4. That's it for today's problem. I hope this video has helped you to understand this concept. If you enjoyed this session, just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe ChemOrgChem for much more content like this. And finally, thanks for watching. Bye bye.